So we are riverfront. Bathroom door is shuttered up. Everything's moved off the back porch. Pool cleaner's got to come out of the pool later. The dock is, well, the dock. Can't really do anything about that. We have the side gates opened. Cinder blocked up. Same here. Now last month, this tree kind of fell over during the hurricane and we were going to replant it on the lot, the acre of land across the street once everything dried out. But now we're getting another hurricane and this thing still hasn't really we haven't had time to move it yet. So it might fall over entirely this storm, I don't know. Everything in the front door is moved, all of the furniture. The water fountain's put down because it's heavy, but it'll still fall over. Same thing on this side. The gate is shuttered open, or propped open, I should say. Isabella's clubhouse is moved. All this crap's moved over here. I can still access the pool pump, so during the storm, I can drain some water out of the pool as it floods, as long as we keep power. And on the acre of land across the street, we also did some due diligence as far as hurricane prepping goes. Most of the patio furniture is put in the shed. All the stuff that's usually here is put in the shed. Isabella's big swing on that oak tree is put in the shed. And this time, because we had to fix our swing set last time after the storm, I took the whole top off and the slide, swings, which we always take those off. And hopefully this thing stays in the ground this time, so I don't have to fix it again. Patio furniture's gone. The garden is as secure as I want it to be. This lot just dried out in the last 2 or 3 weeks after Ian came through. I mean, there's the canal back there at the back. You can see it right here. Okay, there's the canal. When it hurricanes bad, it floods this acre of land all the way to at least usually the mailbox across the street. And when it floods that bad, it's one level from the canal back. So this will be 1 or 2 feet of water right where I'm standing. It gets that bad. So hopefully this storm fucks off to an extent and isn't that bad. But I got a bad feeling about some of these Australian palms. Got a bad feeling about those. But we shall see. Here comes Shanna and Isabella. Isabella, say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Say wish us luck. Wish us luck. Yay!